So hi everyone, welcome back to Data Science in a Pocket, and the biggest news of the hour is here. Kimi K3 has been released on web and app. As you can see, it is a 2.8 trillion parameter model with 1 million context window. I got the mail in the morning only. I got the API key also. I'll be testing out the model for sure. But here you can see the screenshots. The model is available, 2.8 trillion parameters, 1 million contexts. It leads the field in coding, agentic tasks, long horizon reasoning, visual understanding, and agent swarm capabilities. This is crazy. The model is completely open sourced also and is available for free to chat. Yes, you heard it right on kimi.com. So why not try it out? Let's test it out now. So you can see that on Kimi.com, Kimi K3 Max is available for me. Let me ask it some questions. Hey bro, what's up? I'm now Kimi K3. The biggest open source AI model has been released now. Hey, not much, just here to help. What's up with you? Get something you are working on or just saying hi? Tell me about the universe. Just testing it out right now. I think no one knows, hence, I got the chance to talk to it. But I think soon the entire platform will be flooded with a chat requests from people. As you can see, it is able to output. The request rate is very fast, as you can see, and this can be the best open source model released so far. Now let's try out K3 Swarm Max. Massive search, batch processing, and more in one go. Summarize every football World Cups so far. Let's see how does this particular Swarm works for us in K3 Swarm Max. This is a crazy release, and I think everyone was waiting for it for the last week. And I think GLM 5.2's crown for the best open source model is now under danger with Kimi K3 releasing. Fun question, quick check on the 2026 tournament first since it's happening right now. It's going to the internet, and what I'm trying to check out is the swarm capabilities of the model. I will provide the link in the comment section below to try out the model for sure. It's available for free for everyone on kimi.com. You just need to log in. That's it. And the model is quite fast too, as you can see here. It's thinking. It's summarizing the results. World Cup final highlights from 1954 to 1978. And just see this, it is able to summarize every FIFA World Cup since 1930s till now with the major highlights also. Crazy work done by the team here. I think I'm a big Kimi fan, and now they have released Kimi K3 with 2.8 trillion. I don't know how much GPU it will require. It's just require enormous amount of GPU. I have no clue, but the model looks great and it is released on web and application. Soon it would be available on Hugging Face 2, what I assume, as they have been doing so far. So what are you waiting for? Try out the best open source model, the biggest ever on kimi.com. The link is in the comment section below. Thank you so much.